So you have heard of CSS gradients before, or you have seen them before. Now, CSS gradient is a special type of image that consists of a progressive transition between two or more colors. And they normally look very cool. This is our div and this is our background. Now, you can see the code for the gradients. It's quite long. But don't panic, don't worry. You don't have to code this. There are tools or websites that can help you generate this code so that all you need is just to copy and paste. On the website, you can easily manipulate the colors into what you desire. Then you will see the corresponding code for the gradient. A popular one is CSSGradients.io. What I can do here is to manipulate the colors and play around with it. I can see the resulting background that I can copy. So this will give me what I saw above. That is the code for the gradient above. So I come to my code and I paste it. If we go on to the website, you can see that our gradient now displays. We have 3 colors and there's a progression between them. Now we have different types of gradients. We have linear, we have radial. The linear gradient transitions progressively along an imaginary line, while radial progress from a center point, the origin. So there are little differences depending on how you want it to look.